On top inside Edo today, Obaseki don swear in 3 new commissioners and he don assign portfolios give them as Edo State House of Assembly don screen them finish. As better screening don shele for Edo State House of Assembly for 3 new commissioners dem, na Edo State Governor come take swear them in and he give them portfolio so that them go fit position Edo State for correct and better way. Obaseki swear them in for Edo State Executive Council meeting wey dey shele for Government House every week for Benin City. The commissioners wey governor newly swear in na John Osage Inegbedion for Ministry of Infrastructure, Joseph Eboigbe Osazemide for Ministry of Finance, and Akinola Agbaje for Ministry of Electricity and Energy. We can see governor come still introduce Daniel Ikwenobe as newly appointed special adviser and chairman for Economic Transformation Team, when na him first be senior special assistant to Niger Presido on top implementation of Economic Recovery and Growth Plan (ERGP), and he work well to set up Presidential Delivery Unit for Office of Vice Presido, and he carry this ERGP go for Implementation Unit with the Ministry of Budget and National Planning. Obaseki come talk say him dey confident say these commissioners dem go fit deliver for the work wey dem just get so, and say him administration go try finish all the projects wey dem don start. He say make the commissioners use their experience take do their work well, and he talk say him go assist them anytime when dem need am.
We just welcome you back to join your colleagues for Mr. Akiabade, who has just joined us, to welcome you and to inform you that you will be managing the Ministry of Water Resources. While Mr. Joseph Okwegbe will continue to be Commissioner for Ministry of Finance. Mr. John Inegbedion will be Commissioner of Ministry of Infrastructure. That you have the capacity to carry out the responsibilities that is assigned to you. As you are all aware, we are in the last year of our service to our people, and we need to close out on all of our projects which we started. We are not likely to be awarded carrying on any new initiatives. The emphasis will be on making sure that we complete all existing initiatives. And I also want to use this opportunity to introduce someone who has also joined us as a special advisor, the special advisor and chairman of our Economic Transformation Team, Mr. Daniel Ikwenobe.
John Osage Inegbedion wey talk on behalf of him colleagues come promise say them go deliver for their work, and in contact governor wey he take choose them to come serve Edo people.
It's a special time to you, sir. Thank you for the confidence and the belief. Your economic revolution that you are putting in place in Edo, we expected this. But beyond this, we know what you have in store are even more. So we are committed to you and Edo people that will join you as a team to drive those vision to actualization, such that Edo will be better for it. It is no wonder that you are called Wait and See Governor. You've always been the man that knows how to think through the process. So execution is what people are seeing, and what is to come is even greater. Thank you, sir, for being a great leader to Edo. And by the grace of God, with this team joining you, we will actualize your dreams together with you. Thank you very much, sir.
Make we know say this swearing in ceremony dey shele 1 week after them first swear in some commissioners for Edo State ESCOs meeting, where the commissioners them forget their portfolios. Those wey dem swear in last week na Marie Edeko for Ministry of Social Development, Damian Lawane for Ministry of Youth, Joe Ikbia Ministry of Minerals, Oil and Gas, and Momo Oize Omorogbe for Ministry of Budget and Economic Planning. Other commissioners wey dey swear in are Felix Akabo for Ministry of Cooperatives and Wealth Creation, and Moses Agbako for Ministry of Energy. 5 special advisers na dem still swear in follow dis commissioners for first week of July, and dem still collect their portfolio that last week of state executive meeting. Na so we see dis ogbonge update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Governor Godwin Obaseki don swear in 3 new commissioners and he don assign portfolios give them after EDHA screening. Make una no forget say dis ogbonge informate una dey get so na T Live Media na im carry am come give una. Make una no forget to subscribe, like and even comment for our videos for our YouTube channel on top T Live Media TV, and for Facebook you fit like and follow our page for T Live Media.